Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Trouser Canon. This is a supplement type tablets. So you should buy this product or not, and what are the precautions you should take while using this product and how much time it will take to give you results. So in this video we will cover lots of information and so let's get started without wasting your time. So we will talk about you can see over here, this product is easily available on Walmart, Amazon.com, and they have like their official website also. And you can see the product usage: vitality and energy, stamina support, improve stamina. It means this product is related to male performance. Okay, and when you use this product it will give you results related to your male problems like erectile dysfunction, you can say lack of sexual desire, or you can say premature ejaculation and these kind of conditions. If you have any kind of these kind of conditions, then you can try these kind of supplements. So basically this you can select supplement is also related to this thing. Okay, but there is a very big concern, when you visit on their website, they have provided like tablets in the form of tablets, like 90 tablets they have written on their package. But when you visit on Amazon.com, you will see there is capsules, like dietary supplement capsules. And when you visit on Walmart, there is also capsules. And when you visit on, you can say other platform, then there is also capsules. So what is the thing? There is a very big concern about this thing also. So we talk about how much time it will take to give you results. So basically I want to tell you these kind of supplements. As you can see the nutrition information of this supplement, I want to show you. You can see over here. So these kind of supplements will give you results, but it will take time. It will take approx 2 or 3 months minimum time period. If you are thinking like when you use this product and instantly it will give you results, so it's impossible. This kind of supplement is you can say dietary supplement, and it will give you slow result. You can say you have to use these kind of product for long period of time and you will see some changes in your body very slow. Okay, so you should purchase this product or not? Yes, you can make a purchase and you can use. Okay, but the thing is where you should purchase. You should purchase this product only from, you can say other stores. Don't try to purchase this kind of product on any website. So because why I'm saying this thing, because in some websites your money will be deducted from your account but you will not get product. You have to be very careful. If you are going to purchase this product, you have to use only official website. As you can see over here, this is the official website, and on the official website you can also see each and every information they have provided. You can use this product and you can get the benefits, but don't try to think like it will give you amazing results overnight. It will take time, like approx you can say 3 months or 4 months, and it will also improve your, you can say testosterone level. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any experience with this product, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.